Unit number 6, Operating Systems. After completion of this unit, you will be able to describe the basic concepts of an operating system, identify the functions of an operating system, define system performance measures and process management tools, explain some popular operating systems, explore Microsoft Windows practice. Introduction. An operating system is the most important and major program that runs on a system. Every computer system must have an operating system in order to run different programs. The operating system is a collection of softwares which manages various computer hardware resources. Additionally, it provides common services to different computer programs. An operating system performs several tasks such as: Number 1. Recognize input from a keyboard. Number 2. Send output to a display screen, monitor. Number 3. Keep track of files as well as directories on a disk. Number 4. Control various peripheral devices like hard drive, printer, video or sound card, etc. A figure shows the above basic concept in a clear way. An operating system acts as an interaction between user and computer hardware. Operating system provides an environment where users can execute programs. As soon as a user turns on or boots a computer, the operating system is loaded into memory automatically. The term booting is loading any operating system into a computer's memory. Types of operating system. The operating systems are generally categorized into two major types depending on the basis of numerous features such as Graphical User Interface (GUI) and Command Line Operating System. The description of both types of operating systems is given below. Graphical User Interface. A graphical user interface operating system basically provides a graphical user interface to its users in order to communicate with the system or computer. In this interface, the icons, menus, or graphical objects are being used for issuing commands. The users of GUI operating systems don't need to memorize different commands while interacting with the computer. The examples of GUI operating systems include Windows operating system and Linux, etc. The best features of graphical user interface may include: it is easy to learn, you don't need to memorize different commands while interacting with the computer. It is simple to use, user-friendly, needs to click on objects, etc. More interactive, efficient, as it provides various shortcuts, multitasking, run multiple tasks at the same time. The drawbacks of the graphical user interface operating system may include: it is not so fast as compared to the command line operating system. It doesn't provide a powerful or significant scripting facility. It doesn't provide full, complete access to computer resources. In terms of use, it is slow as compared to command line operating system. Command line operating system. A command line operating system basically provides a command prompt in order to type different commands. The users type commands while interacting with the computer. The users need to memorize different commands for performing various tasks. The examples of command line operating systems include DOS and Unix. The features of command line operating system CLOS may include: it is faster than GUI operating system. It provides a powerful and significant scripting facility. It provides full, complete access to computer resources. There are also some drawbacks of the command line operating system, such as it is not very easy to learn, it is not very simple to use. Few command line operating systems provide the facility of multitasking. Functions of an operating system. Manage resources. One of the major functions of an operating system is to manage the different resources of a computer that include mouse, keyboard, monitor, printer, storage devices or memory, etc. The operating system normally organizes information data into files and is called a file system. The operating systems mostly use hierarchical file system where the files are organized into directories, folders under a tree structure. The screenshot of a tree structure while using Windows Explorer is shown below. User interface. The users basically interact with the application programs as well as the computer hardware by user interface. Today, almost every operating system provides a graphical user interface or GUI, where the graphic objects or icons are used to represent various features. The GUI is an efficient interface using different pointing devices such as mouse in order to point or click on icons, menus, lists, as well as buttons on a screen. Run applications. Most of the operating systems run 2 or more applications, programs at a time. As soon as a user opens any program, an operating system suddenly locates that application and loads it into a RAM. If more programs are being loaded, then the operating system must allocate various computer resources. Support for built-in utility programs. An operating system may use utility program for repairing and maintenance. The utility programs are special programs which make the use of a computer easier. When unexpected things happen, such as hard disk crash, virus attack, or slow operations, etc., then functions of the utility program start. Windows OS has many utility programs and are commonly known as system tools. In order to find these tools, follow the following steps. Click on Start, Programs, Accessories, System Tools. The main examples of these utility tools may include number 1, Format, number 2, Scan Disk, number 3, Disk Cleanup, number 4, Disk Defragmenter, and number 5, Antivirus. The following image shows a progress of Disk Defragmenter, which is basically found in Programs, Accessories, System Tools. System performance measures. There are different methods which are being used for describing and measuring the operating system's performance, such as measurement, simulation, and modeling as shown below. Process management. The term process can be defined in many different ways, such as a program in execution mode is called a process, a word processing program which is being run in CPU. Basically, a program is not a process but part of program which is running in CPU and is called a process. Some of these processes are referred to as operating system processes, and some of these processes are referred to as user processes that execute user code. In multitasking environment, many programs run at a time, but only one part of one program runs in CPU. Operating system is responsible for process management. Operating system is responsible for process management activities such as creating and deleting processes, suspending and resuming processes, providing mechanisms for the process synchronization, providing mechanisms for the process communication, providing mechanisms for the deadlock handling. Every process can exist in any one of the following mentioned states such as new, a process is being created. Ready, the process is now waiting to be allotted or assigned to some processor. Running, the instructions are being carried out, executed. Waiting, the process is basically waiting for some result to occur, like an I/O completion. Terminated, the process has completely finished execution. The following figure, process states, shows the relationship of all the above states of a process clearly. Commonly used operating systems. Different users may use different types of computers with different operating systems. The main characteristics of commonly used operating systems may include: number 1, system reliability, such as Windows error reporting, automated system recovery, and improved system restore, etc. Number 2, faster startup. Number 3, user-friendly interface. Number 4, hardware support improvements related to USB, firewall, Windows image acquisition, or media transfer protocol, etc. Number 5, remote desktop features. Number 6, system administration tools like Windows Installer, Windows Task Manager, Disk Defragmenter, or Windows Script Host, etc. Number 7, network features such as Windows Firewall and Internet connection sharing. Number 8, important security features such as encrypting file system improvements, credential manager, software restriction policies, etc. The Windows XP, Windows Vista, and Windows 7 have emerged as one of the most popular operating systems. A figure named as Popular Operating Systems shows the above concepts in a clear way. Various types of operating systems. Windows XP. Windows XP is a famous and highly compatible operating system. It was produced by Microsoft. It is one of the most famous versions of Windows. The name XP is mainly abbreviated as Experience. The following image shows the Windows XP interface. There are a number of characteristics of this popular operating systems such as A. New task-based GUI. B. Updated start menu and taskbar. C. System reliability. D. Faster startup. E. User-friendly interface. F. Hardware support improvements. G. Remote desktop features. H. Various improvements to system administration tools. I. Network features. J. Important security features. Windows Vista. The Windows Vista was also produced by Microsoft. It was released in 2007. This operating system is basically a successor to a very popular operating system, Windows XP. It can be used for personal commuters like home and business desktops, tablet PCs, laptops, or media center PCs, etc. It is also one of the most efficient operating systems. The following image shows the Windows Vista interface. As compared to Windows XP, it contains a lot of changes as well as new features such as A. Updated graphical user interface. B. New visual style. C. Updated search functions. D. Important multimedia tools which also include Windows DVD Maker. E. A redesigned networking feature. F. Audio, print and display subsystems. G. User-friendly interface. This version of Windows included the feature Net Framework, which allows software developers to write complex applications without traditional Windows APIs, application programming interfaces. Windows 7. The Windows 7 was also produced by Microsoft in 2009. This operating system is basically a successor to another popular operating system, Windows Vista. It can also be used in all types of systems. It is also very famous and highly compatible operating system. The following image shows the Windows 7 interface. There are a number of characteristics such as: number 1, updated graphical user interface. Number 2, multi-touch support. Number 3, a redesigned Windows shell with a new taskbar. Number 4, improved multimedia features. Number 5, faster startup. Number 6, remote desktop features. Number 7, important security features. Number 8, improved performance on multi-core processors. Number 9, new visual style. Number 10, networking features. And number 11, user-friendly interface. Due to these features, it is considered as highly stable and efficient operating system. Windows 8. After this efficient operating system, Microsoft has released Windows 8 in 2012. It can also be used for all types of computers in personal, home, and business. Microsoft Windows Practice. Microsoft Windows Practice includes different tasks such as how to start and shut down a system, create and open the icons, as well as open, close, and sizing the windows, etc. All of the above tasks are briefly explained below. How to start a system. How to start a system. In order to start the system, simply follow the following steps. Number 1, press power button by front panel power switch, power on, off monitor, printer, etc. Number 2, then click your user account icon. In order to log on, simply type password if installed or press enter without password. Number 3, press enter to log on. After that, your desktop will appear. How to shut down a system. Let us consider an example of Windows 7. In order to shut down the system, simply follow these steps. Number 1, click the start button, which is shown on down left corner. Number 2, then simply click shutdown icon as shown below in the following image. Number 3, the computer will shut down automatically. How to change icons. Let us consider an example of Windows 7. In order to create or operate desktop icons, simply follow the following steps. Number 1, right-click on desktop. A smarter window will open with different options. Simply choose an option Personalize. Number 2, after clicking this option, another window will open where one can see an option Change Desktop Icons on left upper corner. Simply choose this option. Number 3, another smarter window will open named as Desktop Icon Settings. Here, one can see the different icons. Number 4, after that select any icon, then press Change Icon button. Another smarter window will open with a lot of images. Number 5, select an image of your choice and press OK button. The image will be selected and window will close. Number 6, if you are satisfied, then press Apply and then press OK button. After that process, the selected icon with the new image can be easily seen on the desktop. Using elementary job commands. It includes different job commands which are explained below. Creating a file. Each file is basically given a file name and extension such as doc, Word document, txt text file, XLS, Excel spreadsheet, XLS, Excel spreadsheet, HTML or HTML, HTML file, PPT, PowerPoint presentation, etc. As the MS Word is an application package used to create official personal documents, so let us see the procedure of creating a file in an MS Word. Note: Microsoft Office should be installed to work in it. Number 1. First of all, click the Start button, then a list of different options will be open. Choose an option All Programs. Number 2. Then another list of different options will open. Choose the option Microsoft Office. Number 3. By clicking this option, Microsoft Office, different sub-options will be opened immediately. Then simply click Microsoft Office Word. A document will open which is basically known as a Word file. Number 4. Simply write or type something on this file. Then after completion, the file needs to be saved. Just follow the next step given below. Saving a file. The following is the basic procedure of saving a file in the MS Word. Number 1. Just click on the Office button on the upper left corner of the file. Then click an option Save. By clicking this option, a dialog box will open. Number 2. Any path can be chosen, for example desktop. Number 3. Then just give the file a name to identify this document for future use. Number 4. Press Save button. The document will be saved and a dialog box will close. Number 5. Close this document by clicking Close button from title bar. Modifying a file. Modify means to make changes in the document. The following is the basic procedure of modifying an MS Word file. Number 1. Simply locate the file to be changed. Simply locate the file that needs to be changed where you have saved it. Double-click on this file, then the file will open. Number 2. Type something or change the document. After that, the file again needs to be saved. There are 2 options to save this file, such as Number 3. Clicking on the Save button present on title bar near Office button. Then simply close this file. The file will be saved. Number 4. Otherwise, simply click on the X button from upper right corner to close the document. Warning option will display that you have to save this file. Number 5. Click on the Yes button. The file will be saved automatically on the same place and the documents will close. Renaming a file. Number 1. First, locate your file. Let us consider the file is located on the desktop. Number 2. Right-click the file. Number 3. Choose an option Rename. Number 4. The file name will be highlighted in blue. It is ready to be retyped. Number 5. Type a new file name and then press Enter. Number 6. The file is renamed. Deleting a file. Number 1. First, locate your file. As in the above case, the file is basically located on the desktop. Number 2. Right-click the file icon. Number 3. Choose an option Delete. Number 4. A Delete File dialog box will appear in order to ask you, are you sure you want to remove this file to the recycle bin? Number 5. Choose Yes if you want to delete this file. Number 6. Then the file will be moved to the recycle bin. If you want to restore this file in the original location, follow these steps. Number 1. Double-click on the recycle bin. The recycle bin will open that has the deleted files. Number 2. Select accidentally deleted file that needs to be restored. Number 3. Click on Restore this item. The file will move to original position. If you want to permanently delete files from the recycle bin, follow these steps. Number 1. Open the recycle bin. Number 2. Select the file or files. Click on Empty Recycle Bin file or all files will be deleted permanently which cannot be restored. Finding a file. In order to find a file in a system, follow these steps. Number 1. Double-click on the icon Computer on the desktop. A window will open. Number 2. On the upper right corner of this window, an option Search Computer is seen. Number 3. Just click on the search. The cursor will blink. Just write the name of the file which you want to search. Number 5. After that, the system will start finding that file. Within a short time period, different files related to that name will be shown on this window. Number 6. One can easily find the exact file from there. Creating and operating a folder. Creating or operating a folder is a very easy task. To create and operate the folder, follow these steps. Number 1. Right-click on desktop or any hard drive and do right-click wherever you want to make a folder. Number 2. Then a dialog box will open. Choose the option New. Number 3. After clicking this option, a new connected dialog box will open. Choose the option Folder. Number 4. By clicking this, a folder will be made and highlighted in blue color with the default name New Folder, which is ready to be retyped. Number 5. Type a new folder name and then press Enter. Number 6. The folder is created and is ready to be used. In order to operate a folder generally, number 1. Go to the created folder or previous folder. Number 2. Double-click on that folder. Number 3. Folder will open. Files and folder if exist. Number 3. Folder will open. Files and folder will be displayed. Number 4. Click the X button on the title bar to close the folder. Number 5. Click Back button to go back in the upper folder. Changing settings like date, time, and desktop color. In order to change date and time, follow the steps given below. Number 1. On the lower corner of the desktop, the date and time is shown. Number 2. Click on the date and time icon. Number 3. A dialog box will open which shows a complete calendar and clock. Number 4. Click on Change Date and Time setting. Another window will open. Number 5. Change the date and time and press OK button. Number 6. The date and time will be changed and shown on the taskbar. Changing the desktop color. There are different ways of changing the color of desktop in Windows 7. To change the desktop background color, follow these steps. Number 1. First of all, click the Start button. Then a list of different options will be opened. Number 2. Choose an option, Control Panel. Then another window with different options will open. Number 3. One can see here an option, Appearance and Personalization, and different sub-options which can be seen. Number 4. In these sub-options, just click on the option Change Desktop Background. Then another window will open. Number 5. Click Picture Location icon, then some options will be seen. Just click on the option Solid Colors. Number 6. Many different color icons will be shown here. Choose the color of your choice and press Save Changes button. Number 7. Then the desktop color will be changed. Using shortcuts. The term shortcut means to do something within a short period of time. There are a lot of keys which are generally referred to as shortcut keys and can be used in order to do different tasks. Some of the commonly used shortcut keys for Windows 7 are described in the figure. Control Panel and its usage. Control Panel is basically a part of Microsoft Windows which allows computer users to view, manipulate and control system settings such as system and security, network and internet, hardware and sound, appearance and personalization, as well as user accounts, etc. In order to use the control panel, just follow these steps. Number 1. First of all, click the Start menu, then a list of different options will open. Choose the option Control Panel. Number 2. Then another window with different options will open. Number 3. In order to use these options, just click any option of your choice and choose the option Program and Features as shown in the above figure. Number 4. Click any unwanted program that needs to be uninstalled. Right-click, choose Uninstall. uninstallation process will start. Concept of Task Manager. The Windows Task Manager mainly provides information about all these processes or programs which are currently running on a system. The users can also access it by pressing Ctrl and Alt and Delete. It displays the currently running services, tasks, and processes. In order to view the Task Manager, just follow these steps. Number 1. Right-click on the taskbar. A window will open. Just go to Start Task Manager option. Number 2. By clicking this, another window will open whose name is Windows Task Manager. Number 3. Here one can get the information about different things such as applications, processes, services, performance, networking, and users. It also provides information about general status of a system. It is basically used to terminate running a process. Setting up network connections. The purpose of setting up network connections is to use the internet. To set up a network connection, just follow these steps. Number 1. Click the Start button to view the Start menu and then choose an option Control Panel as shown in the following image. Number 2. The Control Panel window opens up. Then click the option Network and Internet. Number 3. Then click another option Network and Sharing Center. Number 4. After that, just click Set up a new connection or network. Number 5. Another window will open and then click the Connect to Internet and press Next. Note: after the above step, if internet is working on your system, then you will find the message you are already connected to the internet. It is simply meant that you can go to your internet browser and use the internet. Otherwise, follow the next steps given below. Number 6. If internet facility is not available, here one can find different options such as wireless or broadband, etc. Number 7. Select any one option like broadband. Number 8. After selecting this option, you will enter a username and password which you will get from Internet Service Provider or ISP. Number 9. Then click Connect. When it is connected successfully, then the window looks like the image given below. Number 10. After that, you can close the above window and simply go to your internet browser and use the internet easily. IP setting. An IP address, Internet Protocol address, is a numerical label. It is basically assigned to each computer which is member of the computer network. In order to assign an IP address in Windows 7, just follow these steps. Number 1. Click the Start button to view the Start menu and then choose the option Control Panel. Number 2. The Control Panel window opens up. Then click the option Network and Internet. Number 3. Then click the option Network and Sharing Center. Number 4. Click the option Local Area Connection. Number 5. A window will open and then you press the button Properties. Number 6. Another window will open and you select the option Internet Protocol version 4 TCP IPv4 and press the button Properties. After that, another window will open immediately. Number 7. Here you will find two options which are described below. Obtain an IP address automatically. Select this option and then press the button OK. Your system will automatically get an IP address. This will be the dynamic IP address. On the other hand, if you will select the second option, use the following IP address. From this option, you can assign IP address manually called static IP address. Then you will give the following information: IP address, subnet mask, default gateway, preferred DNS service, preferred DNS server, alternate DNS server. After giving this information, just press OK and close all other windows. Now you will be able to use the internet.